Elco family? Another week, another vlog, vlog 43. If you ain't seen the rest, go check them out, you know the deal. But this week, I really didn't get too much done because I ran into a bunch of problems. Although I do have this fence slash gate up that's pretty dope because now my dog won't run away. But yeah, if you saw last week's video, you know this thing is sitting up on jack stands. She's still there, unfortunately, because things just did not go right like I thought they were gonna. I had plans to throw an 8.5 on the rear of this and completely swap that out, but that fell apart this week and I kind of put all my eggs in that basket. So ruined the week and the video, unfortunately, but I'm going a different route here in the future, so don't trip. And yeah, still just debating on which differential to go with because I want all the power all the time. A posi would be cool. A Detroit locker would be cool, or maybe a true track. But yeah, it's expensive, so go buy some merch because this thing right here is about to make me financially unstable for the next 2 months at this rate.
Ain't nothing but a broke boy, 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 boy.
But I'm doing it for y'all and me because I want to see this thing a little bit more.
What the fuck was that?
And me because I'm trying to see this thing a little bit more meaner, and yeah, she's got to do some spinning wheelies and shit once she's done. But yeah, like I was saying, that's still all f***ed up. Not even messing with it because I'm going to rip the whole rear end out now.
You ain't got to lie.
Because that was stupid. It should not have been that difficult right away from the start. So I'll be messing with that over the next couple weeks and doing everything I can to go get that bought because, like I said, that rear end brand new is a pretty penny. And yeah, I already just bought a truck, so it's like there's a lot of stuff going on. But it's cool. I'm making it happen. It's just stressful, but you know, big dogs gotta eat, and it take money to make money, and it costs to be the boss. And yeah, whatever you want to say to keep yourself going when you need it, do that, because it's a headache, but I love this thing, and it's gonna get done. It's unfortunate that it's super nice out now, and I'm kind of just stuck in the garage, but it is what it is. I'll be at some car shows and stuff here in the next couple days. Just me, no Elco, but yeah, I'll make some content out of that while this thing is still sitting up here. And now that it seems like I don't have a crazy amount of mosquitoes around here, I'll be touching the Ford and finally go mess with that wiring like I said I've been doing. And yeah, what else? Oh yeah, I never ordered the power steering pump yet because this just took a turn and that got a little bit more expensive than I thought. So I'll be ordering that too. Just, you know, once I get monetized and have some money coming in from here, it should be much easier to keep the content flowing, even with little hiccups like this popping in. So make sure you tell somebody to subscribe. And I had never swapped my differential out before, but now I'll be swapping an entire rear end out. And I've also never done that before. So this will be interesting. And unfortunately, June is like right around the corner, so not doing the car show like I thought I was. I've just been getting no's repeatedly over and over and having a lot of people ghost me lately, so not much I can do about that. I'm still gonna do a pop-up car meet, so stay tuned for that if you're around West Michigan area, because I would like to have a nice cool little car meet for my birthday. Won't be a show with plaques and all that like I wanted it to be, but you know, I'm building the brand. We'll do it next year for sure. It's gonna happen. So just wait on next year. It'll be a big event, but this year it's just gonna be a car meet for now, unfortunately. Even with all the dumb shit happening left and right, I'm still happy. I'm still making this shit happen. Do I got a headache? Yeah, I really do. But like, it's all part of the game. It'll all be back up and running, and I'll be having fun here in the next couple weeks. Sucks that this video's just me yapping instead of doing stuff, because I didn't record anything else I did all week because really all I did was house shit, like mowing the lawn and putting this little ghetto fence up. So I mean, nothing like crazy interesting that I've done this week other than a bunch of dad shit. But on a side note, my parts sponsor, GTSP Auto Parts, they hit me up again, and we'll be working on something here in the future for hopefully the Elco and the Dodge over there. And yeah, get both of those looking right in the engine bay and up underneath. So get a couple nice little things on there. That should make me a little bit happier while I'm sitting here waiting for the Elco to come back. And if you're still interested in the Delorean that I cleaned up the other week, doesn't seem like a lot of people watched that video. It's only got like 20 views. Go check that one out because it was pretty damn cool and interesting. And if you want to follow more of the process on that thing coming back to life, James just got it running And yeah, go check out his channel. I'll link him in the description below. And yeah, check that shit out. It's really cool. I was super hyped to be a part of that. Luckily, the season's just getting going, so I'm not really missing too many events right now. But next month, if I'm not ready for next month, there's a fucking problem, because I got a lot on my list for next month, July, and the rest of the season. So this will be back up very, 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 very fucking soon. Just give me a few more days, and I think I can make that happen. Unless by some stroke of luck, I go super duper viral and get super paid, and I'll throw a freaking supercharger and a bunch of other shit on it. But that's wishful thinking. Breaking news! All right, sorry about the lighting. Change of plans again. I can't seem to make up my mind because my pockets ain't that deep, and I'm trying to make the best decision with what I got. So let me turn this around and get y'all some light. I got this fucking carrier pin out of there, you guys, and it was not a fun process. And ooh, it's a little warm still. But yeah, the pin basically swelled up in between both the spider gears, so it would not come out of either side. So I had to go through and completely grind the spider gears all the way off. I tried a little bit on this side, gave up, went to the other side, and just took the whole gear off and finally got it out of there. So a lot of damage to get it out of there. So yeah, things ain't looking so great there. But yeah, I'm about to go inside and order a new posi and new axles and all new seals, bearings, everything, because this thing is absolutely through. And yeah, more than likely got to put a few gallons of brake clean or something in there too to clean up all the metal shavings from this disaster of a, I guess, swap. So yeah, I don't know. It's getting along, and that's the new plan. I really want to do the Ford 9-inch, but that'll happen in the future, probably after I do heads and cam and all the other cool, fun shit to make the Elco a lot more powerful. I think for now, this will be the smart decision. Won't break the bank, and I'll still be able to have hella fun with it, and fingers crossed it doesn't just blow up after my first track day. Fingers crossed. Well, you know I got the pin out, but I got to show you how much of a absolute struggle it was to get it out. Most of you already know that this thing's been kicking my ass, but it's been a few days and hours of grinding to get this pin free. Ooh, the pin is hot now. Alright, I guess it's back to grinding. I thought we were a little closer. Alright, let's see if it's happy time. I got this gear completely chewed up, that whole spider gear. Whew. Yeah, look at that, she's hot as hell. If I could even get her out of there. Oh, I wish I had my magnet. There it is. Oh my God. One of the C-clips for the axles. Finally. Holy shit. Alright, we can take that axle out. Ah! That thing is hot as hell. Oh my God. Another C-clip. Ah! So close. So close. I don't know. I might be able to just rip it out, I think now. Once I pull the axles out, I might be able to pop these caps off and just rip this whole fucking thing out. Pretty sure that's what'll happen. So let's do that because I'm tired of messing with this. That took so long. Oh my God. All right, now I should just have to pop. Let's say, should. Pop these caps off. They're covered in oil too. Rear end, but at the moment I don't really fucking care to keep it. Part of the carrier, the races fell straight the fuck out. Would have been nice if I saw how that fell out of there. Here's Mr. my life up. That still won't drop. Oh, and is hotter than still. Oops. Ah, damn it, no. I tried not to get that everywhere, but that's how this job's going. Finally. God, I can't tell y'all how good that feels to look in there and see the differential out, because that was annoying. And for everybody that's been inviting me to shows and events the last couple weeks, man, I'm sorry. I should have came out there a couple weeks ago when I was good. I didn't plan on this taking dare as long as it is right now. So yeah, all I can say is I'll be back soon. I've said it a few times now, but yeah, that's it. But yeah, I love y'all, Elco family. Go subscribe, go check out the merch, go check out James' channel if you want to see the Delorean shit. And yeah, I will see y'all next week. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino. Peace.